Fourth, derive saving curve from consumption curve. We have to derive saving curve from consumption curve without schedule, with the help of graphic presentation only. This is the level of income on x-axis, we are taking consumption, and below this level we are taking savings. First of all, I am drawing income level on x-axis, start from the origin and frame 45-degree angle. Then CC is the consumption curve. OC is the minimum level of consumption. Actually, this is C bar, or you can also write down C plus consumption. And this is the intersection point of income or consumption. Means here all the income will be consumed. It means the value of APC is equal to C upon Y is equal to 1. And this will be the level of income Y. Now, point to be noted that at 0 level of income there will be plus consumption, and below this point exactly there will be dis savings, negative savings. So we have derived first point for our saving curve, and that is S, and then as well as we joined this saving from our income level Y. So this shaded area represents this savings. This savings means negative savings. At minimum level of consumption, we always consume something. So this denotes 0 level of savings. And then ultimately we are taking one more level of income, that is Y1, OY1, and the area. Here income, and this curve represents consumption, and the difference between income and consumption, that will be plus savings. Exactly we have obtained point P on OY1 level of income, and while joining all these points we can obtain SS saving curve. So we have derived S point from plus C minus S. Then we have derived where income is equal to consumption, at that particular level saving will be equivalent to 0, because all the income is consumed in the economy. So savings will be 0. And this level represents plus savings. So as well as we joined this S point, which we have derived plus consumption or minus savings, we have derived Y point from the intersection point of income or consumption E. It means here savings are 0. And also point P, while joining all these points from S, Y and P, we can obtain SS saving curve. So we have derived saving curve with the help of consumption curve.